Hey guys, what's going on? Nerf Herder here. I've got another sound font that I want to review. I've got a few. I've always got sound fonts to review. So I'll be doing this every day for the rest of my life. No, but seriously, there are quite a bit of sound fonts that I would like to get. This one today is from Lord Blako, one of my favorite font makers. I've just always been a fan of his work. Dude's a legend. Been around for a long time. Made a lot of really fun fonts back before I was even really heavily involved in fonts. I always purchased his. They were just really cool. About 5 years ago when I was slapping them on a Nano Biscotti and swinging them around. Anyways, this one is going to be the white. Now the white is Lord Blako's version of a damaged crystal or a what's the word I'm looking for here? The white is his version of a purified crystal that was corrupted by the dark side, much like Ahsoka Tano's white crystals in Rebels and Mandalorian. Now this is one of his crystal series. I'll have it for CFX. You can get it for Profi and I believe maybe Verso and Golden Harvest. There was a list. I grabbed CFX. That's just how I roll. I'm gonna be doing it on my Orgastin style flagship. It's one of my favorites, and we're just gonna jump right into it.
Sound bank selection. The white.
Yeah, here we go. Love the hum. Oh, the swings are so good. This is a 28mm full bass speaker from Smoker's Outpost, and it does it justice on this sound font. It sounds so good. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's go for it, man. Let's put the blade in there. This is just, I love that. I don't know how you do it, man. For me, making just a freaking force wave or something, I'm always like, alright, cool, that'll do it. And then I don't understand how y'all have that ear for this stuff. It's an art that I would love to learn. Alright, let's fire it up. I gotta see him very well on a white blade. Again, in person, I can see where it's triggering it. I need to go in and make it different colors so you can see it a little better. Oh, I did put a blue, kind of like a blue. Oh man, that's so good. Just feels like you're moving energy around. Oh man. That is so good, dude. I love that swings. Again, I've said it in every font review I've done of a Lord Blako style sound font. Is the swings always freaking stand out. They're so good. Yeah, the swings, man, every time. Smooth switch is so freaking. There we go. All right, guys, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this sound font. This is called the White. I mean, I can't say enough, man. If you're a fan of his Crystal series, which I am, go and get the White. It's just great. I mean, any Crystal series he pumps out, I need it. I need it. I've got Quixani coming up next. The Crystal series, you guys, go get it. Every single sound font that he has for those is just so good. Alright, guys, that'll do it for this one. Thank you so much. And until the next video, may the force be with you.
Who's scruffy looking?